Thanks for checking out the Resourceful Mechanic on YouTube. My name is Ruben Rodarte. I'm the guy that lives inside an old gas station here on Route 66 and author of the Do-It-Yourself Tubing Bender and the Practical Do-It-Yourself Greenhouse. My passion is to help the We Can Do-It-Yourselfers build the stuff that they need with their current bank account balance. I believe that now is the time to take action and build the essential items that will improve your quality of life. I will show you that these things are within your reach, your can do. Are you ready to bring your idea to life? Make sure to subscribe and leave a comment on a video saying hello. Keep creating, and we'll talk soon. Would you like to visit Valentine's Station or work together? To learn more about my handmade Route 66 curios, photo tours, events, and services, please go to resourcefulmechanic.com.